afternoon, children. How are you, ma? Okay, after 1 day gap, again I came to the recording class. Did you revise the last class videos? Okay, have you seen those videos which I taught you in the last classes? Okay, if you didn't see, once you go through our school link, then you can easily go. First you have to subscribe the channel, and then you will get the videos of recording of our school. Then you can easily go through all those. Okay, ma'am. Don't neglect those whatever given in the video recording classes. Okay, children. So whenever you get the time, you just go through those videos once, twice, or infinite times. If you go through, you will. Once if you didn't understand, you go through the next time, and if you didn't understand the second, third, fourth, like that, you can go twice, thrice times. You can go through those videos. Then easily you can understand. Okay, if you didn't understand once, when you go through those, then it will be easily understand to you. And keep one book always. I am reminding you in each video class. In each video class, I am reminding you. So when you write, when the video class is going on, if you write those, it will be a practice to you, and easily you can understand the word how to write it. Okay, and how to pronounce the word. Then you can easily remember those words also. After the video class is over, then you can practice those words. If you practice those words, you will get how to read the lesson. Okay, it's a help to you. These words are help to you to read the coming lessons, new lessons to you. Actually, you are a small kids. Recently you got promoted to the 5th class now, so it will be easy to you to when you watch these videos, and when you write, when you practice those, then it will be easy to you to revise, remind, and to write. Okay, children. So till in the last class, in the last video class, I explained you about Dvitvakshar. Basing on that, I gave you some words as well as how to read the word also. I told you. Okay, ma. So today, Dvitvakshar means, once again I revise you. Dvitvakshar means what? दो समान व्यंजनों को जोड़ना. Okay, two same Vyanjan letters when we join, that is called Dvitvakshar. And basing on that some words also I gave you. I hope that you practice those words and learn how to pronounce those words. Now we will go through Samyuktakshar. Samyuktakshar means what? In Telugu already you learned about Samyuktakshar. No? Samyuktaksharalu anaga nemi. Samyuktaksharalu anaga nemi? రెండు వేరు వేరు హల్లులను జతపరిస్తే వచ్చేదాన్ని సంయుక్తాక్షరాలు అంటారు. లైక్ దట్ ఇన్ హిందీ when we join दो अलग अलग व्यंजनों को जोड़ने से संयुक्ताक्षर बनता है. दो अलग अलग व्यंजनों को जोड़ने से संयुक्ताक्षर बनता है. Two different व्यंजन letters when we join, then it is called samyuktakshar. Okay, children. So I write the definition on the board. You must learn the definition also. If anyone asks you about samyuktakshar का मतलब क्या है, if anyone asks you, then you must able to answer. No, that's why you must learn the definitions also. You must able to answer, and you must able to explain those definition. That definition also you must able to explain. So whenever the video class is going on, you must listen carefully. Okay, children. Now I write the definition of samyuktakshar. दो अलग अलग व्यंजनों को जोड़ने से, दो अलग अलग व्यंजनों को जोड़ने से, here You must give the clarity that दो अलग अलग अक्षरों को means all the स्वर letters are also अक्षर, व्यंजन letters also अक्षर, संयुक्त व्यंजन letters also अक्षर. But here we must give the clarity that दो अलग अलग व्यंजनों को, not स्वर letters, only व्यंजन letters. We must join only व्यंजन letters. That clarity we must give while saying the definition. Okay? दो अलग अलग व्यंजनों को जोड़ने से क्या बनता है? संयुक्ताक्षर. संयुक्ताक्षर बनता है. Okay children, do you understand the meaning of this? दो अलग अलग व्यंजनों को, two different letters, consonant letters, हल्लू को जोड़ने से, join, when we join, then it is called संयुक्ताक्षर. तब उसको हम संयुक्ताक्षर कहते हैं. Then we will say it as a संयुक्ताक्षर. Okay, so I'll show you the संयुक्ताक्षर letters now. In this only one is there. संयुक्ताक्षर letter is there in this. In the heading itself we have संयुक्ताक्षर letter. What is that? Here, see, ta. See, this is different letter and this one is different. So when we join these two different व्यंजन letters, then it is called संयुक्ताक्षर. I'll show you that. K plus ta. K plus ta. 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 K plus ta. Ta. K plus ta. How to pronounce? I shall tell you once again. K. K plus. Don't pronounce it fully. It's not a full letter. It's a आधा अक्षर, not a पूरा अक्षर. So we should pronounce it k plus ta is a पूरा अक्षर. So k plus ta, ta. K plus ta, ta. Okay. The word on this is the heading itself. संयुक्ताक्षर. So the word itself is, the heading itself is the word I am writing here. Why? Because you are familiar with this word. That's why to understand, to make you to understand, I wrote the word, this word only. Okay, next. Reverse I write now. K plus ka. Sorry. S plus ta. S plus ta. S, not sa. S. S plus ta. Then what is this? S plus ta. Sta. What is that? Sta. Okay, I'll draw one picture on this. And then easily you can say what it is. What is this, children? What is this? What is this? Book. Book. Book in Hindi, pustak. What is that? Pustak. Here see. Do we get that letter? Samyuktakshar letter here? Sta. Do we get this one? So what is this picture? Pustak. Okay. So it will be easy to you. That's why I am drawing the picture and giving the word basing on that. Okay, ma? Pustak. What is that? Pustak. How to read this word? Pa, u matra pu, ta ko sa आधा अक्षर, ta को sa आधा अक्षर sta, ka, pustak. Okay? Ta को sa आधा अक्षर sta, ka, pustak. Okay, ma? Next one. We'll go through the next one. What is this? What is this? And where we have to join va? To the bottom of the, to this here the tail will be there, no? There we should join this va adha. And here one difference is there comparing to these letters. Here in the pronunciation there will be a difference. Here actually we are pronouncing the adha akshar first and pura akshar next. Okay, sta, sta, see, sta means s plus ta we are pronouncing. But here how we are pronouncing? Dwa. How we are pronouncing? Dwa. See, observe, when we pronounce, observe that the. First we are pronouncing the, next va. So do you understand the difference between these two, ma? Here first we are pronouncing pura letter, next adha akshar. But in these letters, first mostly it will happen in da letter only. When we join other letter to the da, mostly it will happen in this only. In the remaining letters, as usual we can pronounce like first adha akshar, next pura akshar. But in the sense of da only, it will be happen. Okay, ma, the small thing we have to remember. Okay, so the, da and va. What is the pronunciation for this? Dwa. What is that? Dwa. What is this? What is this, ma? What is this? Dwar. What is that? Dwar. Okay, see? With the picture, I am explaining the, I am giving you word also, so that you will be easy to learn. Okay. So what is this, ma? This picture is dwar. Understand understand this one? Okay. Next, we'll go to some other words. Okay. See. T plus tha. T plus tha. T plus tha. How will pronounce this one? Tha. How will pronounce this one? Tha. Okay. So, see here. What is this? What is this? This is a rock. Rock in Hindi. Rock in Hindi what? Patthar. Rock in Hindi. Patthar. Rock in Hindi. Patthar. And how to read the word? Pa. Tha kota. The akshar tha. Ra. Patthar. Okay. Pa. Tha. I am repeating the word to make you understand. So listen carefully. Okay. Pa. Tha kota. The akshar tha. Ra. Patthar. So here the pronunciation is ta, ko, tha, ko, ta, the akshar tha, patha. Okay, tha. Next, p plus ya. What is that? P, not pa. P plus ya. I told you already. Only to the da letter we have to, when we join adha akshar, then we have to pronounce the pura letter first, adha akshar next. But here in the remaining letters, in their sense we must pronounce first adha akshar, next pura akshar. So what is this? What is this? Pya. I will draw one picture on that. What is this, children? What is this, na? क्या है ये? Piano. In English it's a cup, no? in Hindi it is pyala. See, pya, pya. Basing on that letter, I gave a word pya, pyala. Okay, in English it's a cup, and in Hindi we call it as pyala. Yako padakshar pya. Okay, so how to read the word I tell you now. Yako padakshar pya, pya a matra pya, la a matra la, pyala. You understand how to read it? Yako padakshar pya, pya a matra pya, la a matra la, pyala. Okay children, next a few more we'll see. See here. What is this? What is this? Chadaksha. What is that? Chadaksha. This one, cha pura akshar. Okay, both are cha only. But when we pronounce this alpa pran, we must pronounce light cha. But when we pronounce mahapranakshar, then we should stress the letter cha. What is that? Cha. Ch plus cha. How to write this one? How to join? Like this. Okay? How to join this one? Like this you must join. What is this? Cha. What is that? Cha. Okay. So, basing on that, I draw one picture and write the word on that. Some flowers. Do you know the flower bunch, ma? When anyone's birthday will be done, then you will give the flower bunches to your friends, no? So, that flower bunch in Hindi, it is called, what we call in Hindi that flower bunch? Do anyone know, ma? That one? See, like this will be there, no? That flower bunch. So, this is called gucha, the bunch of flowers. Okay, the bunch of flowers. Bunch is called gucha. Bunch is called gucha. Okay, so ga. Once we go through the pronunciation of this samyuktakshar and the word. Okay, chako, chako, chadakshar, cha. Okay, the pronunciation of the word is ga, u matra, gu, not gu, u. Ga, u matra, gu, chako, chadakshar, cha, cha, a matra, cha. Gucha. What is that? Gucha. Okay, so gucha means bunch, not flower bunch, any bunch. Bunch of keys, bunch of flowers, bunch of grapes, like that. If a group of things made a bunch, then it is called gucha. Do you understand? Next one. T. So pronounce this letter, ma. What is this? S. What is that? S. S plus ta. S plus ta. St. St. What is that? St. Okay. So basing on that, we'll have one word. Here place is not there. I'll write here, ma. S plus ta. S plus ta. What is that? S plus ta. Sta. S plus ta. Sta. Then sta. Basing on that, one word. See here. one boy here. Okay. And another boy. Okay, ma'am. One boy and one girl. So these two are friends. Friends in Hindi. Friends in Hindi we call dost. Friend in Hindi, dost. Boy and this girl are friends. So friend in Hindi it is dost. One more picture I draw on that. So here some pictures are there. What these guys are doing? These are enjoying. What they are doing? Enjoying. So enjoying in Hindi we call it as masti. What we say? Masti. See, basing on this letter only I am giving the words. Enjoying in Hindi we call it masti. Dost, masti. These two are friends. Friend means dost. Here these guys are enjoying. Enjoying means masti. Okay, ma? Now we will see the pronunciation once again. S plus ta. Sta. S plus ta. Sta. Okay. Word is the O matra do. Ta ko sa adha akshar sta. Dost. And this one is ma. Ta ko sa adha akshar sta. Sta e matra. Sti. Masti. Okay. Next one. Sh plus pa. Sh plus pa. Shpa. Sh plus pa. Shpa. Sh plus pa. Shpa. So you understood that what am I drawing here? Now children, what is this, ma? What is this? Can anyone say what is this? In English it is a flower. In Hindi pushp. In Hindi it is pushp. Okay. Pavu matra pu. Pako shadakshar shpa. Pushp. Actually so many words are there. So many synonyms are there. In English you have synonyms, no? That means one meaning but so many words. So many different words will be there but they give one meaning. Like that this is also having. In Hindi also we have synonyms. One meaning, so many words. Okay, pushp, like fool, suman, like that, so many are there. Okay, ma'am. Next, sh plus ma. Sh plus ma. Shma. Sh plus ma. Shma. Sh plus ma. Shma. Basing on this, I'll give one word. What is that? Sushma. Sushma means what? Sushma means a name of a girl. Sushma means a name of a girl. Okay. Here we'll go through the picture also if we want. This is all to you only, ma'am. Just to make you to understand. Okay, children? Who is this? Who is this girl? Sushma. Name of this girl is Sushma. Okay. Sa U matra. Su. Name of this girl Sa U matra Su. Ma ko sha adakshar. Shma ha matra shma. Sushma. Okay, children, today we completed Samyuktakshar based words and letters. Revise this video, don't neglect this video, ma, and you go on to practice. Thank you.